This is lesson 7 on the water topic, and we're going to look at pages 28 to 31. So first of all, I want you to watch the video on precipitation water softener, where I try and soften hard water, which as you can see is magnesium chloride, and I add a water softener to it called sodium carbonate. And then you can watch that and try and fill in the answers to the questions. I've completed the diagram on this one for you, so you know what the residue and the filtrate are, so you'll be able to hopefully complete the rest of the questions. On page 29, you've got statements now about ways to soften hard water. It's going to be, the statements are going to be about boiling or adding water softener or an ion exchange column. So they each link to one of those. And on your next page you've got a table where the statements need to be added. Now you can write them in, or you can number them on the previous page and put the numbers in here. But an important bit I want you to do as well is, once you've added all the statements to the table, can you distinguish between whether they are advantages or disadvantages? You can put A's or D's next to them, or pluses or minuses next to them. Remember, advantages are good things and disadvantages are bad things. So as well as the statements that are going to be in each of these columns, you need to identify whether they are advantages or disadvantages. And then what I'd like you to do is, using your knowledge so far on the last few lessons, describe and compare the methods that can be used to soften water. So you can use the methods on the previous page: boiling, adding water softener, ion exchange column, and describe and compare which ones are good, the advantages, which ones are bad, the disadvantages to each one, and make a balanced argument really about which methods could be used to soften water and what are the good points and the bad points about each one. Make sure your punctuation and your spelling is good as well.